That feeling. You know it. It's not just being tired after a long day. It's deeper. It's this sense of emptiness, cynicism, like you're running on empty. You drink coffee, but it doesn't work. You try to rest, but you can't. And the scariest question is, what's wrong with me? Well, here's the answer, probably nothing. You have classic burnout. And today, we're breaking down what that actually means from a scientific perspective, and how you can actually recover. First and most important, burnout is not fatigue. Fatigue is fixed by sleep. Burnout is not. It is not laziness. Laziness is a lack of motivation. With burnout, the motivation is there, but the energy is gone. Burnout is a systemic failure of your nervous system. This isn't all in your head. It's a physiological state caused by chronic stress. And you can't just push through it. Now, for the science. Your body has a stress response system, fight or flight. It's powered by the hormone cortisol. Normally, it spikes, you deal with the threat, and the level drops. But in the modern world, the threat isn't a lion, it's deadlines, notifications, and an endless to-do list. The cortisol is constantly pumping. Your nervous system is constantly overloaded. It can't recover. Imagine clenching your fist 24/7. Eventually, it will cramp up. That's what's happening to your brain. The key to recovery isn't adding more stuff, more coffee, more motivational videos. The key is a reset. Your job is to give your nervous system the signal, the danger has passed. How? 1. Digital detox 1 hour before bed. The blue light from screens is a false alarm signal for your brain. 2. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This physically triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. 3. A walk in nature with no goal. Not power walking, just meandering. This removes the pressure of performance. Once the acute stress has dialed down, you can start rebuilding your resources. Don't jump back into deep work. 1. Water and food. Dehydration and undereating are burnout's best friends. Cover the basics first. 2. Short work blocks, 90 minutes, not marathons. Your brain works in cycles. After 90 minutes of focus, it needs a real break. 3. Micro wins. Make a list of the tiniest, simplest tasks and check them off. This gives you dopamine, the hormone of completion and satisfaction, which directly counteracts stress. So, the bottom line is this: burnout isn't your fault, it's a system crash from chronic stress. To fix it, you don't need to tough it out, you need to do the opposite, reduce the load and let your nervous system cool down. Start small. Tonight, instead of scrolling through social media, try the 4-7-8 breathing exercise and get to bed 30 minutes earlier. Your homework: what's one small step from this video will you take today for your recovery? Type it in the comments below. A walk, breathing, drink a glass of water. Let's support each other. Hit subscribe if you're ready to finally stop fighting your own brain and start understanding how it works.